Have you made oil rice before? If you have not, watch this video how I prepare this delicious oil rice. It's so yummy, guys. When I say it's yummy, you know it's yummy. So stay tuned as we cook this together, okay? Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be making oil rice, which they call it concoction rice. Oh, stay tuned, guys. Before going further, I will be adding, and in this video I'll be using my chicken, my goat meat, and my liver. I cut them into a little pieces, okay? Then I will also be adding egg. So I put my meat inside my pot. You know the things now. Allow it to steam. I always say stir your meat before adding water. So the water of the meat is rightful the water I'll be using to cook this rice. So stay tuned, watch this video to the end, okay? I make this rice before for my family and they are loving it, okay? So I decided to do the recipe again. I'm cooking it for second time, so I decided to take you guys along in case of some of you that want to go and add it to your recipe. So I decided to take you guys along so you can also add it to your food recipe. So you can see, yeah, I just added water to my meat. I will be adding more water because this chicken is very hard to cook. A lot of you that know this strong chicken is very hard to cook, so I'm going to add a lot of water. So I just added my seasoning cube. Yeah, so I would leave you guys to watch and enjoy the video. Watch in full. This recipe is a bomb, guys. Is a bomb. When I was in Nigeria, I used to love anything oil rice. I do concoction rice, oil rice, accident rice, coconut rice. I use rice to do a lot of recipe. But now I'm not little bit a rice lover back then in Nigeria when I used to be a rice lover. But now I've reduced rice. I don't eat rice a lot. But if you're a rice lover, you need to try this recipe. You will like it. You will try it and thank me later. So without not ranting a lot, let me leave you guys to enjoy the video, okay?
Welcome to Treasure TV. Wow. Well, I know man tell you that you're beautiful. You are beautiful, don't they? But precious you are. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. All you know more treasure got you. You deserve everything nice and beautiful. The skincare remedies, I will give you. What you know more about your skin now? You deserve to be beautiful again. You deserve to grow your skin again. Natural things you will use, natural remedy for you. Oh, now, well, no man tell you that you're beautiful. You are beautiful, don't they? But precious you are. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. Ain't no cry, still zero stress. God know it first, still got the best. So many things you don't see, so many places you don't go. Money no more cause you just got the bread. Stay calm, let me give you this up. Search no more cause already got the best. Make up tutorial, it be for you. Lifestyle blogging, it be for you. I been a vlog and cooking. Everything there for you. Subscribe, subscribe, tell your friends, may they join us. Tell your friends, may they join us. So you never hear the gist, so you never get something. Remedy for skincare. log and food. That is what I give you. Payment treasure got you. Everything nice and juicy. Subscribe and thumbs up. Subscribe and thumbs up. Giving you some good vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some good vibe. Energy too full. I got you, I got you. At the same time, I go love you. I no go back. As we dey go, we no go back. Giving you some good vibe, giving you some more vibe, giving you some good vibe, energy food, giving you my good vibe. I say they watch you, God they bless you. Payment treasure got you. Lifestyle food and filler. Skincare we give you. Oh no, everything as we give you. You crazy pandas. Oh no. Big James Stanley. Subscribe. Got you. You deserve everything nice and beautiful. Your skincare remedies, all I will give you. Worry no more about your skin on you. You deserve to be beautiful again. You deserve to grow your skin again. Natural things you will use, natural remedy for you. Oh nah, don't let no man tell you that you're beautiful. You are beautiful, don't live and precious you are. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. Ain't no cry, still zero stress. God know it first, still got the best. So many things you don't see, so many places you don't go. Money no more cause you just got the bread. Still come, let me give you this up. Search no more cause already got the best. Make a tutorial it dey for you. Lifestyle blogging it dey for you. I been a vlog and cooking. Everything dey for you. Subscribe subscribe Tell your friends may they join us Tell your friends may they join us so you never hear the gist, so you never get something.
I just take it down. Look at how inviting it look like. So yummy and delicious. The rice is ready. You can see how delicious it look. So yummy. So if you love this video, don't forget to give me a very big thumbs up, like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. You can see your coconut oil rice is so yummy. You can see how yummy this rice is. So yummy and delicious with all kinds of veggies. So I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.